I didn't see you there. Welcome to this beautiful, magical place, Lantern Stay. It's truly a date with nature. You can see, I'm going to talk to you about what all you can have, the fun activities, your room, and more things. So, let's go on with it. First of all, this is your beginning of your fun life. You can come through the... Hello and welcome to Lantern Stay. This is a place for you if you are a naturalist. And if you just like nature and adventure, you better come to this place. Here you can see these amazing views. Have a nice time in the pool. Chill out in the fireplace and have cozy and nice rooms. You can get a variety of choices of your rooms also. You can stay in the sky with your tree house. And that's how beautiful the tree house is. The entire room is built on a tree. And the view is spectacular. Outstanding, isn't it? You can come visit. Look at the view. Isn't it amazing? So you should try and come here. And I spend most of my time in this beautiful place. As you can read books, hear the beautiful sounds of the birds, and you can see the Chambra Peak from here. And when it's cloudy, it's even more beautiful. We are coming to explore everything. Or, if you want to go back to the ground, you can have your wooden houses. And this is how the wooden cottage looks like. It is perfect for families with kids because it's not too high. Also, you can enjoy the beautiful views. Plus, it's a cozy and big room. So come to this spacious and beautiful place. Or you can go back to the earth with the basics in the camps. These are the nature-friendly camps of Lantern Stay. They are budget-friendly and beautiful. Also, good in your pockets. If you're looking at budget stay, this is the place that you should be. It's light on your pocket and it's beautiful. What else would you like? A perfect place to be in the wanderlust. So you choose your room and have fun. Also, the cool thing about this place is the birds. All time you can hear the beautiful stream and the birds. So you come chill here and let's go explore. It's a source of water for many villages. So we please recommend you to not dirty it, as this stream would not look good with plastic bottles and plastic bags in it. I'm sure we all know that. Camping. See? It's a beautiful place where you can camp. So beautiful. And kids can have more fun over here. Like I said before, if you want to go closer to the earth, you can come closer to the stream and back to earth with these beautiful camps. Welcome to Lantern Stay.
Welcome.
This is a new edition of a villa. Maximum 6 to 8 people can stay over here. There are 2 different rooms in it. A beautiful and big spacious bathroom and amazing balcony. If you're loving family members, you can come here with your loved ones and play ping pong, carom board, some other more fun activities while listening to the beautiful nature around you. And you can check out the table tennis, badminton and more fun games.
Smile, Farhan. Yep. Yeah, I don't know, the hand.
Oh, hello guys. Like I told you, we're in Lantern's Day. And let's talk about the food here. This food is delicious. It's like home. You won't even feel like you're outside. And guess what? Food with the view. Can you imagine food with a view? That's amazing. And you can personalize your food by your choice. Just ask. That's the yummy, homemade or rather hotel-made food for you. Now one of our wonderful stars, Vimal, is going to just explain to us the food names.
This one's Malayalam chemmin roast, and this rasam and pappadam and fish fry and upperi, rice, sambar, aviyal, pappadam, sambar and fish fry, chemmin.
And also, this food is for our granny who doesn't eat salt. So they've specially made that for her. You can specialize your food
salt,
too.
right?
This is the wonderful staff of Lantern's Day. That's an infinity pool. It's pitch dark, as you can see, but it's still beautiful. Enjoy your night.